y99s, we will often use a function notation in the form y1 of x, y2 of x, and so on, okay, where the value that's in your parentheses is your input. Okay, this is your input, so it gets replaced wherever the placeholder of that same value, the same variable, is in the equation itself. Okay, that will be replaced by whatever's in your function notation. Okay. So if you look at a question that looks like this, okay, the amount of garbage G produced in a city, that's your output. Okay, with population P, that's your input, okay, is given by G equals F of P. Okay, G is measured in tons per week, P is measured in thousands of people. Okay, and then they ask you to represent this information, this statement, using function notation, okay, the function F. So we know that F of P is equal to G. All right, so if you identify this in its function notation, the F of P, well, what is the population that's included in this? Population is 25,000. So F of P, the P value is given in thousands of people. So what would we put in our parentheses here? 25. And then it produces how much garbage? Our G value. And G is 10. And so that's what it's asking you to identify. So your answer is F of 25 is equal to 10. Okay, so you can interpret function notation in that way. It means that a corresponding input of 25 gives you an output of 10. So if you were to represent this as an ordered pair, it would be 25, 10 as the point that lies on the graph of this information.